What is up, everyone? It's Crystal K Gaming here, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button to Fort. Okay, we have this rainbow one, and we gotta make sure we don't waste it. Okay, I'm gonna do it this time. Come on. See, yeah, I'm getting the hang of this. I'm gonna waste it. Like and subscribe so maybe I can get past this wasted. See, y'all didn't like. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna follow the cheese, dude. We jumped here. Oh, okay. Oh, so I was dumb. Oh, okay. Oh. I'm pressing. Get ready for what? Fight! Oh, shoot. Boom. Got cheese, dude. See, I'm so pro. Got that, girl. Shoot, mister. Over here. Got her. About here. Wasted. Shoot. She got me. Ooh. Look at those hat. Alright, good. Got it. Get ready for what? Fight. Okay. Got a hair dryer, and I don't know how to use it. You can see it's broken. Come on. It doesn't work. This game is broken. I'm gonna hide behind the tree. Hope no one gets me. But dude, maybe I can get him. I am banana. Did I hold it down or something? Oh! I did it. But see, I have to hold it down for something. Oh. Okay, I gotta hold it down for some time. No? Oh, shoot. Wait, what the? I just got blown off.
Now, me personally, I would not fall off a cliff like that. Boy, shut your...
Jump over. I didn't even do anything already up here. That's just weird. Mysterious cave? Oh, nothing suspicious at all. No suspicious about entering a very dark, ominous cave in the middle of nowhere. Who's top? How the... Alright. Let's get around here. Whoa. The girl tried to jump on it. She got smushed. Can I tell what to do? The girl is slowly flying. Alright. Here, come on. Don't spawn. Yes, I did it. Yay! Alright, well, let's go to the outro. Ooh, look at me, a statue. Come on, I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click this button. You're not gonna get it. Girl in white. Come on. Come on. Click.
Me literally trying to press the button first.
Come on, just... Where are the rockets? Where are the rockets coming from? Where are the rockets? Oh, shoot. Oh, look over there. Okay. One in the air. Or air? She died. We got hit. Okay. Over there. Over there. This is easy. Oh. I almost got exploded. Okay. Whoa. It just spawned like 4 or 3 times. Okay. Whoa. Now it's going both sides. How do this? It's just so close to doom. Maybe just stay in the middle. Wasted. Don't you think it helps? It doesn't. Tsunami? Okay, I'm gonna jump on here. No. Oh, ladder. I guess I chop this dude. Okay. Come on. To the top now. Oh, okay. Here. Oh, jeez. I was just back away from death. All the way up there? I don't know. Very risky. Very risky. Wow. So many people are in front of me. Deleting some of the thing. Yeah, I did it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye.